This is the Yaheetech Floor Chair. I've got mine in the gray. It comes basically the way it is with zero setup. The first thing I noticed was how soft the chair was to the touch. Very, very comfortable and also very light, so easy to move around. But yeah, it comes with zero setup requirements. It's adjustable to so many angles. You can hear it click into place. That kind of gives you an idea of it locking into place, anywhere from 180 degrees to 90 degrees and everything in between. Now, I'm quite a large person, so I look large compared to it, but for most people, this is going to be perfectly sized. Of course, you can also get two if you want to use it as a bed or something. That's also possible. Sometimes I like to lie on it in this position, maybe to read or whatever, or have a conversation on the floor. But it's also very good for just lying there, perhaps for meditation or just chilling generally, to be honest. But as a chair, it's actually also quite competent as a floor chair. If you want to use this for, gaming, light relaxation, I find that at these kind of angles, they're perfect for like reading because it elevates your head somewhat. And you can obviously change the angles to suit your own needs. For gaming, having a conversation with friends, if you have a few of them around, watching television or something like that. It's absolutely awesome. It's very soft to the touch, like I said before. And here's one hack. It's winter now, so sometimes my leather sofa would get a little bit cold. I find I can just pop this on my sofa to give me a less cold surface to sit on.